Hey, what's going on? It's Jimbo here with Proje Products, and today we're going to be talking about how to get streak-free windows. Now, streaky windows can really make or break a detail, so I'm going to let you in on a little professional hack that's going to make your life a whole lot easier using the Genesis glass cleaner and our window towel. And what we're going to be doing is when you clean the outside of the glass with a couple sprays and our microfiber towel, you're going to work in a horizontal fashion. And then when you flip to do the inside of the glass, you're going to work a vertical fashion. And what that's going to enable you to do is when you pull the car out in direct sun, if you see any streaks remaining, you're going to know which side of the glass that you need to tackle. If it's horizontal, it's going to be the outside of the glass. If it's vertical, you need to clean the inside of the glass. That way, you're not chasing your tail on streaks that aren't on that side of the glass.